Hello students, welcome to the session. I am Mr. M.H. Mota, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. This session is on different types of windows. The outcome of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand various types of windows, different types of materials used in construction, along with associated terminology. So let's start learning. Window. Window is an opening in the wall or a roof of a building fitted with a glass in the frame to admit light or air and allow people to see out. A window is a vented barrier provided in the wall opening to admit light and air into the structure, and it also provides the outside view. Window also increases the beauty appearance of the building. There are different types of windows used in building construction to provide ventilation and view. So selection criteria for window. The selection of a suitable type of window in a particular place should depend on the following factors. One is the location of a room. Second is the size of room. Then the direction of wind expected, climatic condition of the area in which building is located, the utility or the function of a room, and architectural point of view. Let's try to understand certain terms used in case of windows. In case of windows like door, there are certain common terms used. Those are head or mullion, sash, hang, the hanging side, the closing side, the hinge side, the jamb, stilt, and so on. So let's try to understand some basic terms with the help of this second figure. Every window like door has consisting the two major parts. One is a window frame and second is the shutter. So in window frame, which consists of head and jamb. Head is a horizontal member while jamb is the vertical member. At the bottom horizontal member, the seal is provided. While in case of shutter, it consists of the stiles, rails, sash, the panels, etc. The glass is denoting the panels used. Sash is a vertical member of the window shutter, while stile is the external frame forming element, while rail are the horizontal frame forming elements. So types of windows used in building: fixed windows, sliding windows, pivoted windows, double hung window, lowered window, casement window, metal window, sash window, corner window, bay window, dormer window, clerestory windows, lantern windows, and gable windows. These are the different types of windows. Along with that, there is a common term called ventilator even is used to denote the window. Skylight is a special type of window which is provided at the roof, to admit the light. Let's try to understand these types in brief. We'll start our discussion with fixed windows. Fixed windows are fixed to the wall without any closing or opening operation. In this window, the shutters are non-movable or fixed. In general, they are provided to transmit light into the room. Fully glazed shutters are fixed to the window frame. The shutters are generally weatherproof. These are the different types of fixed windows. You can easily see that these windows doesn't consist any movable shutters as such, and the main purpose of this is to admit the light or to provide the view. Second is sliding window. In this case, window shutters are movable in the frame. The movement may be horizontal or vertical based on our requirements. The movement of shutter is done by provision of roller bearings. Generally, this type of window is provided in residential buildings, bank counters, shops, etc. So this is the cross section of the elements which are used for the rolling of the shutter. They can be made up of either aluminium, metal, or in very rare case they even can be made up of the wooden elements. This is the picture of the sliding window. Next is pivoted window. In this type of windows, pivots are provided to window frames. Pivot is a shaft which helps to oscillate the shutter. No rivets are required for such kind of frame. The swinging may be either horizontal or vertical based on the position of pivots. This is the figure of the pivoted windows. This particular window has got a vertical pivot which runs in a direction which is horizontal, while in this case these are fixed on certain horizontal pivots which is moving in a vertical direction. These are the figures of different types of pivoted windows. Next is the double hung window. Double hung windows consist of a pair of shutters attached to one frame. The shutters are arranged one above the another. These two shutters can slide vertically with the frame, so we can open the window on top or at bottom to our required level. To operate the double hung windows, a chain or a cord consisting of metal weight is provided which is connected over the pulley. So by pulling the weights of cords, the shutter can move vertically. Then we can fix the windows at our required position of ventilation or light, etc. as per our requirement. These are the views of different types of hung windows. Lowered windows. Lowered windows are provided for the ventilation without any outside vision. The lowers may be made up of wood, glass, or metal. The lowers can be folded by provision of cord over pulleys. We can maintain the slope of lowers by tilting cord or by lifting cord. Recommended angle for inclination of lower is about 45 degrees. So they can restrict the view. The sloping of lowers is downward to the outside to turn off or run off the rainwater. Generally, they are provided for bathrooms, toilets and privacy places, etc., where the ventilation can be achieved in the form of movement of air, but no vision is generally permitted. These are the different types of the lowered windows. These lowers once again can be fixed or can be movable. Currently, the movable type of lowers are very popular in residential buildings, where at the time you can close the lowers, while for the better ventilation at the off time you can operate and open these lowers so that the foul gases accumulated in the places like water closets or bathrooms can be easily vented. Next is casement window. Casement windows are widely used and common windows nowadays. The shutters are attached to a frame and these can be opened and closed like door shutters. Rivets are provided to the frame to receive the shutters. The panels of shutters may be single or multiple. Sometimes wired mesh is provided to stop the entering of flies or mosquitoes. These are the figures of such windows. Next is the metal window. Metal windows. Generally mild steel is used for making metal windows. These are very cheap and have larger strength. These are widely used especially for public buildings, private buildings, etc. Some other metals like aluminum, bronze, stainless steel, etc. are also used to make such type of metal windows, but they are costly compared to mild steel. For normal casement windows, also metal shutters are provided to give strong support to the panels. These panels can be of glass, can be of wood or similar. These are the figures of casement windows. Sash windows. Sash window is a type of casement window, but in case panels are fully glazed. Fully glazed means we are using the glass as a panel. That glass can be either transparent or can be opaque in nature. It consists top, bottom and intermediate rails. The space between the rails is divided into small panels by means of small timber members called sash bars or glazing bars. These are the figures of that kind of windows. Next is corner window. As the name itself suggests, corner windows are provided at the corner of the room. The corner windows have two faces in perpendicular direction. By providing this type of windows, light or air can be entered into the room by two different directions. To provide this type of window, special lintel is provided in the wall. Corner windows will give artistic appearance to the building, so they are even more useful in improving the overall elegance of a building. These are the views of such corner windows provided. They can be provided for the entry of light as well as ventilation and even for the improvement of overall appearance. Next is bay window. Bay windows are projected windows form wall which are provided to increase the area of opening, which enables more ventilation and light from outside. The projection of bay window are of different shapes. It may be triangular or rectangular or polygon in shape. They give beautiful appearance to the structure. These are the views of such bay windows. Next is dormer window. Dormer windows are provided for sloped roofs. These are projected from the sloping surface. They provide ventilation as well as lighting to the room. They also enhance the aesthetic sense of the room. This is a figure of dormer windows. They are more common in case of buildings where the sloped roofs are provided, where the rainfall might be more, and to cater that need of appropriate drainage, the roofs might be inclined, and in such case the dormer windows are provided for the better appearance as well as to have the better ventilation. Next is clerestory windows. In the room in a building are of different ceiling heights. Clerestory windows are provided for the room which has greater ceiling height than the other rooms. The shutters able to swing with the help of cord over pulley, or it even can be operated by using a window wand. These also enhances the beauty of the building along with the better provision of the lighting, particularly in case of different ceiling heights. This is the figure of clerestory window which can be operated by using a window wand. These are the figures of such windows where the ceiling height of different rooms or the different parts of a single room is having a certain difference in the elevation, that of roof, and to improve upon the aesthetic as well as to provide the ventilation for the core part of the room, such type of windows are more suitable. Next is the lantern window. Lantern windows are provided over the flat roofs. The main purpose for this window is to provide more light and circulation to the interior rooms. This is the view of lantern. Next is gable window. Gable windows are provided for sloped roof buildings. These windows are provided at the gable end or of sloped roof, so they are called gable windows. This is the figure of gable windows. Next is the ventilators. Ventilators are provided for the purpose of ventilation of the room. They are provided generally at greater height than the normal windows. They are provided nearer the roof levels, and their size is even very small as compared to our common or normal windows. Horizontally pivoted shutters are provided for ventilators. Sometimes shutter is replaced by wired mesh in case sunshade is provided to prevent against the rain wire. These are the figures of such ventilators. Next is the skylights. Skylights are generally provided on the top of sloped roofs. The major purpose of providing the skylight is to admit the light into the room. It is provided parallel to the sloping surface. Skylights can be opened when we require it. Lead gutters are arranged to frame to make it as waterproof. This is the figure of skylight provided into the sloped roof. Well, that's it for this session. Thank you for your patience learning, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.